Welcome to Modern Physics Lesson.
Hello everyone, I'm Juana Brazal, and today's video discussion, let us learn and understand how to solve a problem using the Broglie equation. But before that, have you ever thought that tiny particles like electrons could actually act like waves? Well, that's exactly what the French physicist Louis de Broglie proposed. He introduced the idea that all matter, not just light, can exhibit wave-like behavior. Louis de Broglie made a bold assertion in his 1923 doctoral dissertation considering Einstein's relationship of wavelength lambda to momentum p. De Broglie proposed that this relationship would determine the wavelength of any matter. The equation he introduced is lambda is equals to h over p. This formula is used to find the wavelength of a particle. Lambda stands for the wavelength, h is Planck constant, and p is the momentum. We all know that momentum is just equal to mass times velocity. So we can rewrite the equation as lambda is equals to h over mass times velocity, where m is the mass of the particle and v is the velocity. The de Broglie equation is used to describe the wave properties of matter, specifically the wave nature of the electron. De Broglie suggested that particles can exhibit properties of waves. So now let us try this sample problem by using the formula of de Broglie wavelength. So the problem is, what is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron having a speed of 6.20 times 10 raised to 2 meter per second? So in this problem, we are going to find the de Broglie wavelength of an electron by using the formula of de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equals to h over mass times velocity. First, let us write all the given information. So this value is our velocity. And the mass of an electron has a value of 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 31 kilogram. And the Planck constant has a value of 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules second. So, and the wavelength is unknown. For now, we will place this given information to this formula. So lambda is equals to the value of Planck constant is 6.63 times 10 raised to negative 34 joules seconds divided by the value of mass is 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 31 kilogram. And the velocity is 6.20 times 10 raised to 2 meter per second. So the final answer is 1.174 times 10 raised to negative 6 meters. The value of wavelength is 1.174 times 10 raised to negative 6 meters. So that is how we can solve the de Broglie wavelength, and I hope you learned something today. Thank you for watching. Bye!